Hello, my name is Klaus and welcome to another Mazda 6 video. Roll the intro, let's go! I received a comment asking about Mazda 6, Dipstick, how to read it, and basically how it works. But first I have to do a disclaimer. I am not a mechanic. I'm not an engine engineer. I'm not anybody that makes engines, does anything to the engine. Well, I fix engines. I fix them. Basically, I'm not that qualified to talk as a professional. Now, as you can see, the car has not been started. And if you go on your Mazda manual, Mazda owner's manual, Mazda 6, we go to the section 8, maintenance and care, and we need the engine oil. That is 819. So this is for Europe. You can see petrol engine Europe. This is all the list for Europe. Petrol engine except Europe grade. There you go. And diesel engines. So look for diesel engines itself. It's 5W30. See? And it's in the owner's manual. Right here it says owner's maintenance. Inspect oil level on a level surface. Yes. Warm up the engine to normal operating temperature. No. Turn off at least 5 minutes for the oil return to the sump. Diesel engines 10 minutes. Pull out the dipstick, wipe clean and reinsert it fully. Petrol engine low, full, and diesel engines low, full. So we have different dipsticks. If you have a diesel, this is how petrol looks like, and diesel looks like this. So between, you need to put the oil between, better to the higher version than the lower end. I'll show you on my engines. Let's leave this zoom. This has all the information you need, or this owner's manual says everything you need. But doesn't matter, you have Mazda, any other car. What you do is do the manual thing. Leave this there where it should be. Now then, I have this. And this dipstick to fill up. You can see the dipstick is wiped clean. See, fully clean. Now we put it in till the very end. When it clicks, still the end, see? So this is how much engine oil is in. I can add a little bit more. I usually add the oil till here. See, here's the full. I add it till here. So I can add a little bit. And how much is from this line to this line? I've been asked. Start with 200 milliliters. Add 200 milliliters and see how far 200 will get you from here till this line. If 200 is adding from here till here, then you know you can add another 200 and a 50. Do not add till the maximum line, because if you overfill it, you have to drain it out. Better get close to that line than over the line. And by wiping, you can see the color of the engine oil. So if it's getting too black, you need to change it. Okay, now as you can see, it's all clean. All this dipstick is clean. I'm gonna put this in and start the engine. That's enough. That's it. Oil reached completely everywhere. The engine is ready to go. It's not warmed up, obviously, but the engine has oil everywhere. So if we switch off the engine now, and let's wait 3 minutes. 3. It's been roughly 3 minutes. So you cannot read how much is there. Okay, let me clean this off and we dip in again. It's all clean. You can see our oil level is too low. You cannot read it because on the bottom there is some, on top there is some, in the middle there is nothing. And remember, this dipstick was cleaned. Let's dip it again, the same. See, it's the same. And the oil is coming from the top down. You can actually see that the oil is dripping down right now from the engine. And there is a reason why this is happening. Let's go inside and I'll show you on a model engine why is that and why is that happening. So let's go inside. This is a 4-cylinder engine. It's not Mazda engine or anything like that. It's just a model. As you can see, it has pistons. It's a model engine. And this right here is the dipstick. Let's take this model as an example. Here is the oil pan down here. These are the pistons, and pistons go up to the head. This is the head, this is the block. Basically, you check the oil from the oil down below. So this is reading the oil at the lowest point of the engine. So if you start the engine and all this turns, this moves, on top even here, this moves, all of that needs oil. So the oil pump, you pull up oil from the bottom to the top. So all of this on top, all the lifters up here on the very top, all the lifters needs oil. All of this here will be oil, which was on the bottom goes up on the top. All the pistons will get oil, all of this will get oil. That's why when you check oil, you check it once the engine has not been moved for a long period of time, not 5-10 minutes. Because the oil needs time to drain down into the oil pan. So simpler to say, why when you check the dipstick after you finish driving after 10-15 minutes, your oil level shows low or inaccurate? Because it's still on top, because there is oil still on top. All these parts which move is covered by oil. That's how your engine lives long, because of the oil. I'll switch this on. This model actually moves. You will see every single part which moves here needs oil to be lubricated. Well, hopefully this explains everything. If it doesn't, or you know extra information I skipped, leave it in the comments down below. Let's help each other out by sharing information we know. Hopefully this video helped, and I'll see you next one. Bye bye.